If your Streamlabs OBS keeps disconnecting, it can totally ruin the experience for both you and your viewers. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix that issue step by step so you can stream smoothly and professionally. Step 1. Check your internet speed. First, make sure your upload speed is stable and strong enough for streaming. You can test it using any speed test site. For example, an upload speed of around 20 to 30 megabits per second is excellent for high quality streaming. But if yours is lower, you'll need to adjust your stream settings to match. Here's a quick guideline. 1080p 30 fps. At least 4,500 kilobits per second bitrate, 1080p 60 fps, around 6,000 kilobits per second bitrate. If your internet is slower, consider streaming at 720p to reduce strain. Step 2. Adjust Streamlabs OBS settings. Open Streamlabs and go to Settings arrow output. Set your video bitrate according to the platform's recommendation. For example, use 4,500 kilobits per second for 1080p 30 frames per second. Change the encoder to your graphics card, NVENC or AMD if available. It's usually more stable than X264. Keep your audio bitrate around 160 kilobits per second or adjust it to fit your setup. Next, go to the Video tab. Set both the base canvas resolution and output scaled resolution to 1920 by 1080. Choose 30 or 60 FPS depending on your PC and internet capabilities. Step 3. Enable auto reconnect still in settings. Go to the Advanced tab. Enable auto reconnect, set the retry delay to 1 second and maximum retries to 25. This ensures Streamlabs will automatically try to reconnect if your connection drops momentarily. Step 4. Enable dynamic bitrate adjustment. In the same Advanced tab, enable dynamically change bitrate when dropping frames while streaming. This feature allows Streamlabs to automatically reduce your bitrate temporarily when your connection weakens, preventing full disconnections. And that's it. With these settings, you should experience fewer, if any, disconnects during your streams. Enjoy a smoother, more stable streaming experience with Streamlabs OBS.